Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will discuss about the difference between linear inequalities and linear equations. Okay, so basically, you can see that I have here 2x plus y, same with this part, and 6 on this part, as well as in here. So kung mapapansin nyo lang, meron lang tayong equal sign para sa equation. Kasi from the word equal, gagamit tayo ng equal sign. Okay? For inequalities, pag sinabi nating inequalities, hindi siya equal. So, it can be greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So, kapag ganito na yung symbols na makikita ninyo, linear inequalities na po siya. Okay? So, I'll give you an idea on the solutions po. So, kapag meron ka ng system of linear equations, meron kang isang solution or possible na infinite solutions. Kapag linear inequalities, palagi po siyang more than one solutions. Okay? So, as you go along the lessons on linear inequalities, ma-identify nyo na kung paano nasabi na lagi siyang more than one solutions. Okay. So, for example, meron kang linear equation na 2x plus y equals 4. Linear equation po siya ha, kasi gumamit po ko ng equal sign. Now, if I have x as 0, papalitan ko yung x doon ng 0, that will be 2 times 0 plus y equals 4. So, yung x doon, pinalitan ko ng 0. Now, 2 times 0, that will be 0. 0 plus y equals 4. 0 plus y, so, wala, idadagdag mo sa y. Siyempre, y pa rin. And then equals 4. So, the value for y is only 4. Only 4. Now, what if your y naman is 0? So, same equation tayo ang gagamitin. So, si y naman yung gagawin nating 0. So, that will be 2x plus 0 equals 4. So, yung y doon, pinalitan ko na siya ng 0 kasi y equals 0. Now, 2x plus 0 is still 2x equals 4. Then, for you to get the value for x here, you have to divide both sides by the numerical coefficient of x, which is 2. For you to cancel this out. Now, your x is now 4 divided by 2, that will be 2. The only value for x is 2. So, makikita mo dyan na wala kang ibang pwedeng value for y kundi 4 lang. Wala kang pwedeng maging value for x kundi 2 lang. Okay. Now, what if linear equation na tayo? So, what if gawin ko na siyang linear equation? Ano kaya yung mga possible values for x and y? So, instead of equal sign, gagamit na ako ng symbol of inequality. Let us say, greater than 4. So, ito ay isa na siyang linear inequality. So, same process. If your x is 0, and if your y is 0. So, dito natin malalaman kung bakit mas marami yung solutions niya. Okay. So, at first, if your x is 0, so that will be 2 times 0 plus y is greater than 4. So, yung x doon, pinalitan ko ng 0. Since may katabi siyang 2, i-multiply po sila. Now, 2 times 0 is 0, plus y is greater than 4. 0 plus y is y, greater than 4. Dito, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, ang value ng y ay greater than 4. So, what are the numbers greater than 4? So, y can be 5, 6, 7, and so forth. Okay? Hindi siya 4, pero more than or greater than 4. Now, what will be the values for x if your y is 0? So, here, si y naman yung gagawin nating 0. So, 2x plus 0 is greater than 4. Okay? Yung 0, nanggaling po dito. So, yung y, ginawa ko na siyang 0. 2x plus 0 is 2x greater than 4. So, same process, divide this by 2 kasi yun yung number before x. So, your x is greater than 2. So, in here, the values of x must be greater than 2. So, when I say greater than 2, lahat ng numbers na mas malaki kay 2. So, x can be 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, hindi siya pwedeng maging 2 kasi greater than 2. Okay, now, if I have this symbol, so isa na siyang greater than or equal to. So, magiging greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Ang ibig pong sabihin yan, kasama na si 4. Okay? So, y is greater than or equal to 4. So, pag may bar sa ilalim, yung number na nandito, included siya sa possible values for the variable. So, same goes here, kung meron tayong bar sa ilalim, ibig sabihin, greater than or equal to kay 2. So, hindi lang siya magsa-start kay 3, pero magsa-start ka kay 2 kasi may equal to. Equal to 2. Okay? So, that will be for differentiating linear equations with linear inequalities.